our 460 pounds ice maker machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 22¼ inches. A depth of 26 inches. Overall height, we have 63¼ inches. Coming to the bottom will be the storage bin for your ice. A ramp or a slope where the ice will be dispensed and dropped down to this bin. Ice can be scooped with this scooper. It can be hung easily on the right side wall. Included will be the kit and much more that's required for installation. So the kit to hook up this ice maker will be included as well. Please note that the entire ice maker is stainless steel covered in film. So to remove the film, just rip off the sticker that surrounds the bottom and top of the unit, and behind the film will be the stainless steel layer. Coming to the top will be the control panel for the ice maker. So to operate will be the on and off switch, the cleaning and the de-icing, timer, along with the up and down keys to adjust the time itself. On top will be the numerical display, along with icons underneath that will indicate currently what's showing and what's needed to operate the ice maker. Coming to the back of the ice maker will be your 110, 120 voltage plug, along with the plastic hoses. One side is for the ice making inlet, the other for the sink drainage. So 110, 120 voltage plug along with the ice making inlet and the drain hoses. On top will be the NSF certification along with the technical information for this unit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.